To many everyday consumers, 3M is the adhesive holding your plane together, the respirator helping you breathe easier, or the reflective traffic sign guiding you home at night. But to the men and women of 3M, it's science applied to life.
3M is really about innovation culture. We're rooted as a scientific company, and it's a belief that every problem has a solution to it.
The 3M plant in Little Rock, Arkansas is one of the largest manufacturers of roofing granule in North America and one of 4 3M plants in the IMP division. 3M Little Rock produces more than 500,000 tons of roofing granule each year, a feat that makes 3M Little Rock one of the largest consumers of natural gas in the region. 3M is emphasizing disruptive technology as a core driver to achieve sustainability and energy goals for 2025. It believes disruptive technologies will keep the 3M name at the forefront of innovation and operational excellence for all industries served.
We identified over 25 different disruptive technologies and segmented into 5 different waves. The process energy disruptive technology, we name it part of wave number 2. When we look at energy management system, there's few things that we focus on. First thing, what we call real-time proactive information so that they can make decision to change how they use energy rather than reactive information. Secondly, this energy management system also provides the capability to projecting how we use energy related to the production schedule target.
Extending corporate sustainability goals to a plant level, 3M Little Rock has adopted an energy management solution that will intensify its capabilities to achieve regional self-sufficiency.
The sustainability goals are defined by 3M as a corporation. Those goals would include waste reduction, energy efficiency improvement, and also water use.
3M's sustainability goal is that we have to reduce 3% a year for the next 10 years. Having an energy management system gives us the tool to understand and manage energy, and certainly we will be able to save more than 3%.
The energy management solution in Little Rock was developed in part in response to the local natural gas utility. When the gas utility started experiencing constraints with demand and delivery, it initiated new operational flow orders on the Little Rock plant. These OFOs would invoke considerable fines if plant managers and engineers could not forecast energy usage with greater precision.
With the environmental policies that are coming out today, there's been big changes and shifts in how energy is provided. Natural product line says, hey, we cannot provide what you want. We have to take that in account. Do we really want to pass this to our customers? Or are we going to have to give warnings, or we're going to have to actually shut down during these times? And if we do, we'll be heavily penalized.
If I rewind a few years ago, we actually had an operational flow order which resulted in a 1-day penalty of $1 million. It was a tremendous burden for the plant. We worked with corporate quite heavily, and one of the outcomes was we needed to implement an energy management solution.
Another challenge to the energy management solution was data specialization and scheduling. With approximately 150 engineers, operators, managers, and contractors working in round-the-clock shifts, the Little Rock plant has a wide variety of specialized roles, interacting with its energy management system on a daily basis, making it critical that the system be easy to learn, easy to access, real-time, and information-rich.
When we talk about SPC or statistical process monitoring, we needed something that our hour-to-hour guys that are really making granule, that's what we're here for, could know what to do and how to respond when they saw some kind of overconsumption or something that went out of control.
Previously, an operator on the floor would have little to no connection with energy management. Now the solution in place is empowering them to monitor and report energy usage by product, by line, and take predetermined actions in the event of an overconsumption.
And this disruptive technology really is to provide energy information, make it visible to production floor so they can view energy consumption related to the specific product that they are running.
For the operator, this level of autonomy and us giving that level of control, it just builds incredible morale. I mean, they feel like they're part of the team, they're driving the business, they understand where we need to go, and they help us deliver those results.
After implementing and working with its energy management system, 3M Little Rock was able to uncover early returns.
first year we saved over $400,000 in potential penalties that we would have gotten had we not had this system. That helped immediately justify the investment, and it can only continue to add value going forward.
These savings are an aggregate of greater energy and asset visibility, continuous monitoring, intelligent maintenance alarms, operator empowerment, and more accurate nominations, all of which are intensifying Little Rock's ability to drive consistent, superior levels of operational excellence.
Increasing our OEE to 1 to 2% would be enormous. But by just adjusting our controls, programming standpoint, we cut almost literally about 40% of our usage from one of our largest burns, because with our natural gas, it's the same thing. We can see at least $25,000 reduction in our bill.
I look at how we operate now. We depended very heavily on the gas company to do the nominations for us. We would use historical data, forecast based on history, and that's not necessarily the best predictor of going forward. Now we look at our schedule in detail by product, by line, and we're nominating very accurately. Our over-under penalties have nearly gone to zero.
We have received an electric bill, natural gas bill, and it was wrong. And it was off at least $25,000. And we had the proof to show that we did not overuse. Now, being able to be applied to other SCADA programs and so forth is opening the horizon for energy management.
Energy consumption is just the beginning for 3M Little Rock. The engineers on site and at 3M Corporate are already exploring ways to utilize their energy data to improve scheduling targets, asset maintenance, and operational excellence.
What we're continuing to do at that site is continue to expand where we can use it, where we can monitor other utilities, where we can try and improve our processes by the information that comes back through data acquisition and trending analysis. We're also looking at where can we expand that beyond our Little Rock plant.
By viewing energy not as a utility, but instead as an input of raw materials, 3M Little Rock is helping to set the standard that other plants can review and follow to achieve local sustainability and energy management goals.
We can show or communicate or share to other plant side the capability to understand energy and have proactive information, manage their energy as raw material. We want to roll this disruptive technology out to other businesses or other manufacturing as fast as we can.
I think there's a benefit to be able to roll up the information from the individual production lines into an aggregate for the site. We also do report total consumptions from a corporate perspective.
At 3M, the commitment to innovation and applied science is one of the distinguishing keys to long-term success, and disruptive technologies like the energy management solution in place at 3M Little Rock will continue to drive a stronger, more sustainable future.
It's ambitious, it's aspirational, it's challenging, and most of all, it's attainable.